Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys are going to be spending the day with me. It's 9/11. I am about to go to my friend's house because we're going to the beach today. And then when I get back from the beach, I got to pack because I'm staying at my former boss's house for 13 days while she goes out of town to watch her dog. So then yeah, you guys are going to spend the day with me and just tag along. And I already packed my stuff. Picking up some snacks, y'all, before we go to the beach. We went to Walmart, but I forgot to vlog at Walmart. There was a lot going on. So we're public. If we get in yes. Girl, my mom has like 5 bags of these at home. They're so good. Yeah, I would have grabbed you some. I gotta come here. It's so nasty. Nasty. Made it to the beach, y'all. We finna unpack the car. We got a lot to get. I got my beach bag here. I need to get my water. I got me a poppy. Cause why not? You did what?
So I just placed my finger in this curtain.
Oh my gosh, you got a tote thingy. She got a tote thingy. Cause I was literally about to just start grabbing stuff. Oh,
this is the only thing.
What is this?
Oh, I don't need it.
Okay. Y'all got me some food. Oh. She played me.
She did.
She heard me say, what is these little fries called? Potato wedges and mac and cheese. I should have looked before I left. I was just walking. Yeah, we are here at the beach. It really stinks out here because of this stuff on the ground. It's funky. It's super bright.
Thank you. Go get Jada camera.
Come say hey to the vlog. Come on.
Go show.
Look.
I don't want your little funky shells.
Say hi. You want to show me your shelves? Look. Show them. You want to show them? That's you. Say hey. Say hey, y'all. Yeah. Say hey, yeah. You pointing at the camera? Oh, okay. Yeah. It's people probably. The people gonna be watching, so you got to say hey. You point in the camera. You got to say hey. What is it? What is this buffoonery? I don't know what this is. It's cute.
It is pretty. I love it.
I call it cute. And what if it is a part of a mermaid? Are you out here, girl? Woo. You see it?
So pretty.
Y'all be looking for shells and treasures and stuff. Oh, I'm shuffling my feet. Because I live in Florida and we got stuff here. Oh, look!
Found another one?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, am I supposed to be touching it?
Yes.
Oh.
Fine.
Oh! It's stuff everywhere! Look.
Ring, don't throw that in the water because we might be rich.
We need it. Good morning, guys. It is 8:32. It is the next day. Today's Tuesday. I spent all day at the beach yesterday. We got there at 2 o'clock or a little like 2:10 or something, and we didn't leave the beach till like 8 o'clock because we stayed to watch the sunset. So when I got home last night, I ate dinner, took a shower, and I was out. But I have to pack today. I leave today at 5, but I have to pack because I'm staying at my former boss's house for 13 days while she goes out of town. So I didn't pack, and I gotta pack. So I got up early this morning, did my skincare and all that stuff, got dressed, and now I'm gonna pack. So I need to go get my luggage, and then I'm gonna pull out my clothes. The only thing I really pulled out is my shirt and my basket of underwear. That's it. So we need to go actually get my luggage and then get all my stuff out on my bed. And then we need to pack it because I don't want to wait till last minute and then I'm like rushing trying to pack. And the good thing about it is that she lives like 8 minutes from my house. So if I forgot something, I could always drive back here and get something. But I don't want to do all that. Alright, so here are all of my night clothes, underwears. I gotta get more socks. And then here are all of my like just little outfits. And I brought 2 sweaters. And I just remembered I miscalculated. I'm only gonna be there for 12 days because I leave that Sunday in the afternoon. So just 12 days. So I had to go back to my clothes and stuff. But I'm gonna pack everything up. I need to grab my skincare, lotion, perfume, all that stuff. And then pack that all up. Okay, so I finished packing. It's 9:04, so it didn't take me that long. Well, actually, yes, it did. It took me a little minute, but now I'm just gonna relax. I'm actually out of breath from doing all that. I'm done packing, so I'm ready to go. I need to actually go clean my Crocs. Get all the sand off of them because I have so much sand on my Crocs, and I need to get that. All right, y'all. It's been a couple hours later. It's 11:40. We are about to go get some seafood. I just got done bathing my dog, so I can get that out the way. But yeah, we're about to leave and go get some seafood. So look, I made this yesterday. Cute little reel. Sunset is so pretty.
Look at my face, Shadows.
Thank you.
Your face. I'm so ready to eat, y'all. I have no idea. This is a paper towel. The face is hungry.
I'm sorry. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No, this is thank you. What is wrong with my phone?
Jada Frey.
Got the good stuff. What you got? She got crab legs and whatever.
Real crawfish.
Oh my god, your crawfish still got eyes on it.
Over there, an egg.
What you got? Okay. What you got?
Shrimp basket with wings on the side.
What's not done, the potato?
Yeah, that's not done. It's
Mine probably not done. I'm just eating.
you taste your potato?
I've been eating it. It's hard.
It's supposed to be soft?
done.
Y'all, I'm done eating.
I'm not.
My stomach hurts. I'm full. They still eating. They still eating. I had shrimp, corn, and sausage.
And I had 2 snow crab, crawfish, an egg, potato. Almost dead.
I need. What that mean? I needed some more to drink because the piece of thing had got
never been hit. Oh, never mind.
You was gonna say it twice. You walk by the window. Look, I got change for you.
Oh my goodness. Right.
Well, I got hand sanitizer after eating it. Y'all, my stomach is so full. Oh my gosh, but that was so good. And I had this seasoning. It's called the Master Crab Special. It's like all the seasonings in one. It was so good.
Oh my goodness. That probably would have changed everything.
Hi. Can I get a new one? I said, sure. Yeah, thank you. My stuff that got inside the cup. Okay. Yeah. So, right? You keep asking for stuff. Y'all, she eating this crab like no tomorrow. Like it's gonna run away.
It is.
It's 1:24. Time is going by so fast. Cause why? Why? Because I miss my husband.
Right.
My husband. I'm happy. I'm happy. My husband. I'm putting on lip gloss and I'm gonna get some drink. There we go. Hey y'all, good afternoon. It's 1:53 or 1:54. As you guys can tell, I am not home. I am at my former boss's house. I am house sitting for her and watching her dog and her birds while she's out of town. But I'm about to find something to eat. And y'all, my period came on, so I mean I'm not tired, but really. But thank God I packed everything because I knew, I was like, eventually it's gonna come on soon. But yeah, I went to the grocery store this morning. My mom came and got me. And went to Publix and had to grab some food and stuff. But I don't know. I gotta figure out what I want to eat because I went, like I said, I went to the grocery store. I don't know if I want to get me a pizza or make me a pizza because I bought pizza and I bought cereal, waffles, and stuff like that. Cause you know, but I don't know what I want. I think I might just warm me up a pizza. So I bought these because these were buy one get one. Oh, my camera's about to die. And I did not bring my charger. Oh, she's a charger. But I'm gonna make my food and I'm gonna charge my phone and I'll see y'all later.